Hey, hello everyone, and today we will see the real power of AI that most of you guys haven't heard about or never used it. So let's try to do it here and we will see how far we can go. And after watching that video, you might not be able or might not want to use ChatGPT or Gemini on browser. So let's dive onto it. So first of all, what we need to do is to download the node on our system. It's a really simple process, nothing hectic. Just click on this latest LTS. It will download the latest package for you. And all you need to do is Windows 64-bit 4-bit installer, whatever your distribution is. It's downloading. I have already downloaded it, so I will not use it. So you just need that to run the JavaScript locally, but not, we don't get inside so much detail, right? Okay, so the node is installed. It's just the next steps. Once it's downloaded, it's so easy to do that. All right, let's move on to here, the underrated thing I have ever seen, I must say. Like, yeah, one of our underrated thing. All right, so what you all need to do is to just copy this piece of code, go into your terminal, and runs this up. Boom. Now wait until it's get downloaded, and I will get back to you once it's downloaded. There we go. So we are now have installed the Gemini on our PC. It's not technically on our PC, but yeah, it's on our CLI. So, all right, so now our Gemini is being installed on our PC. Not installed on our PC locally, but kind of. We can access it through CLI. So let's see its power actually. So I'm inside my folder, and inside that folder, I have little exercises, some games built in Python, some practice problems of Python, and also some OOP questions and exercises. So I'm right now inside that folder. Let's try to call the Gemini from here. Now, after installation, you just have to say Gemini and it will pop up. Just give them a few seconds and there we go. There we go. Our Gemini has been loaded. So first time it will ask you for logins. You can just need to press enter and put logins in your Google account, any Google account that you have normally. And now Gemini is here. So let's see it with a hi. So if I try to say hi, let's see what he replies inside my CLI. So it's inside the CLI, you will get a little hacker type of looks. And there we go. It's saying, hi there. How can I help you? So to see just a little magic of this one, I'll just say in it. That's it. And what this init is going to do, it's going to go through all the directories, mostly in my folder, which will sum up to a lot of them. Because inside that, look at this. You can't just directly upload them onto that. But now, you see, it just created this file. Let's see the time. And now, it is inspecting all of my file, and it will create a one file. Look, it's asking me, can you write a file into my directory? Is that happened before? Our Gemini told you that it's going to give you a document. No, it's going to give me the document inside my directory. So I will say, yes, sir, go ahead. There we go. Generating project overview. It will take a little time, but it will finally happen. Completing directory assessment, wrapping up the process. Perfect. So finalizing the assessment and redefining. So the main thing is you can see if you are chatting with it, it will have a context. It will have a context for you for this project. All the files that inside your project, it will have a context to them. You can tell him to write something in some file and it will perfectly do that. It's just finalizing the task, and after finalizing it, we will see what it evaluated. Let's give it a few more seconds before it do, because there are a lot of directories and it have to go through them. But remember, you weren't able to put all of the data once inside ChatGPT or Gemini. Maybe you can, but it's a lot of hectic stuff. And the free version of ChatGPT let you just upload the 3 images and 3 files. So that's really, really small. So it must be done quickly. Let's wait. It's going through all the files. There we go, confirming the assessments and generating a report, initial analysis projects. Go, do whatever you want to have until we will have a little bit of talk. And okay, assessment completed. Okay, if we go down here, open this up with something. Look, this is a really slow PC. So that is why it's taking a little time. So I opened it. Okay, what he did. Look at this. Look at what it's creating. A directory overview and everything which is happening inside my project. It's due. So it was coding exercises. Look at this. Python, CO1 fundamentals, data type variables. It even go inside those files and read the content. And this is not normal. This is enormous if we talk about this one. So perfect. So here we go. If I type in hi again, no, I will not say hi. Let's say it's something else. Create a Python script that say hello world for 50 times. Okay, let's see. Let's see how it works on that one. I have just saying that create a Python script that say hello world for the 50 times. So what it will actually do, it will ask for my permission, and then after giving it a permission, look at this. Yes, sir. Create the file, creating a sample script with this written in them. Have you ever done that? It just created a file of Python inside my directory directly. Look at this. It even gave me the name of Hello World 50 times. So if I open it with Notepad++, there we go. Just a one loop saying Hello World for the 50 times. And that's it. This is the power of Gemini on the CLI. So try it out. It will have a multiple things in it. Look at this. When I put this, it have multiple things in it. So you can try all of them out, and it's powerful. It's enormously underrated. So I hope once you will do that, and if you are a coder and something like that, you might not get back to web page of Gemini. So there is also for ChatGPT, which I think called Codex, and the Claude. Oh my gosh, that one is awesome, but you have to pay for that one. If you have a pro membership, yes, you can use it, but unless you can't use a free version of it, but that guy even has agents in that one, and we will soon create a video on them when we have a little bit of more funding, guys. So see you tomorrow.